Hello everybody, how's it going? So you've come back from a retro ride garage action, have you? Great, because finally the weather is starting to get really nice out and now we can get our 1987 Z28 squared away. So come on, let's dive into today's video. All right, like I said, the weather's broken and now we can finally get outside and start enjoying working on the car. So today we're going to be working on the interior of the Z28. We have floor mats to clean, we have carpets to shampoo, we have an interior to fully detail, and we also have door sills on the bottom of each door that have cracks in them. It's a plastic molded piece. So we're going to see if we can find a replacement for each of those, get them cleaned up and reinstalled, and we should be good to go. So let's get started. All right, these are our floor mats here from the 87 Camaro. And you can see we have a saddle tan interior, so we have these nice tan floor mats. And you can see the embroidery is a little bit dingy there. This is the driver's side. And you can see this is a little bit brighter. Haven't had many passengers in this car, so we're gonna use a couple little tools here. What I like to use is a little bit of carpet cleaner, diluted, and then we got these brushes with the drill to kind of prep the area and kind of give it a deep scrub. And then you go over it with this nice little spot cleaner by Bissell. This is the Spot Clean Pro. All right, let's get started. All right, well, as you can see, the floor mats came out great. They weren't too dirty, but again, it's a little attention to detail to make them look nice and presentable. So shampooing the carpets is gonna be next on our list. And of course, it's gonna be the same process. We're gonna get in there, we got a drill with the brush on it, we're gonna scrub it out, and then we're gonna use that extractor and clean it up really good. While we're in there, we're gonna pay attention to little things like a hood latch, the brake and gas pedal, and our little areas down there that might have had a little abuse over the years, and just see if we can touch them up and clean them a little bit. Anyway, let's get started. All right, now that we've taken care of the carpet and the upholstery, now we can focus on the little details. We can shine up the dash, clean the glass, work on the doors, the gauge cluster, center console, get all that grime out of there. And again, we know this isn't a full restoration because those are some pretty big projects. Luckily, we found a Z28 that was in really good shape. So this is more like a freshen up, so to speak, hence the name of this episode, Fresh. So let's get started. Well, again, as you can see, the car already looked great, but now it looks amazing inside. So the next part's a little tricky. So we had these door sills and they had cracks on them. Well, we really wanted to just replace anything that might have been damaged in the car, and there wasn't much, but this was something that kind of stood out to us. So we went online, we went to one of the big vendors that specializes in replacement parts for the Camaro. Unfortunately, when we got the part, which was considered a light saddle tan, it was a lot darker than what was the interior of the car. So we went back and forth. The RPO code definitely shows that it's a light saddle. And unfortunately, we had to send it back and get a refund. However, we did find a couple sills on eBay, which actually were in great shape. We just had to clean them up a little bit, and we're gonna show you that process right now. All right, well that's it. So we have fully completed an interior detail on our Z28. We really hope you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned because next up is a full wash, engine bay, and we're also gonna do a paint correction on it as well. So we'll detail all that in the next video that comes up. So again, we really thank you guys for joining us. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any comments or anything you wanna see, leave it in the comments below. We'd love to engage in conversation with you guys. So have a great day and we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.